physics came in, quantum physics. What's the relevance of quantum physics? Well, it said that invisible energy realm that was out there that we did not count and even talk about in medicine because it's just a physical body. It turns out our perception of what is physical is an illusion. There's nothing physical at all. It's all energy.
If you look inside any part of your body with a microscope, so let's say your hand, and you look inside your hand, you find cells. You look inside the cells, you get your DNA in the center of the cell. You look inside the DNA, you find atoms. You look inside the atoms, there's nothing there. Well, there's protons, neutrons, electrons. And what's amazing is inside an atom, there's 99.9999999999999% empty space. If a proton was an apple, the size of an apple, the closest electron would be the size of a grain of salt, and it would be approximately 2 kilometers away. Now that's how much space you would get. Simple pi r squared. The particles themselves, they actually emerge essentially out of what's called the quantum field. And ultimately you can think of particles as just waves of energy, just literally vibrations of energy. And I think it shifts your mind from thinking that something is seemingly solid and permanent, so perhaps something can change and something can be healed.
Long time ago, the word spirit was what? Invisible moving forces that influence the physical realm. Quantum physics is taking us back to a time that said the invisible forces that we have been discounting in medicine turn out to be the primary forces that control everything. And I said, well, what do they include? Mind, consciousness, and this is why, if you want to come back to the supreme power over our biology, it's thought, the invisible energy from our mind that not only shapes our body, but shapes our relationship to the world in which we live.